Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix installer integrity check has failed error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to bring up our File Explorer. So simply tap it here, aligned in the taskbar. But if you don't see any of your File Explorer at the desktop screen or aligned in the taskbar, you can simply use the button search bar and search for it. Okay. So once you are here at the File Explorer, proceed directly to your C drive and go with Windows. Just have to double tap that. And here you need to scroll down and look for System 32. So once you have find it, just have to double tap again and proceed to the upper center of your screen. And here you need to type for CMD. The moment you've typed it, you need to click on enter to continue. And once you have the click on enter, this new window will appear. Okay. The very first, the second thing that we need to do is we need to locate where that particular file is being placed to here in our Windows Explorer. How we can do that? Just have to locate it where it is being saved here. I can see it in my downloads. Just have to go where that application is being saved to. And once it is being once you have find it, just have to adjust first the size of this Windows Explorer. Okay, and just have to make that a little bit smaller like this. Okay, once you have changed the size, just have to select that particular application and then try to drag it here in the command prompt. Okay, so here you need to add on space /ncrc. Okay, just have to add ncrc and then click on enter. And the moment you click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes. Okay. And wait until you are being redirected to the application itself. Just have to click on OK and just have to install this particular application that you'd like to install in your computer. Okay. And there you have it. Okay. Continue on setting up this application and just agree the license agreement and click on next and then click on install. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.